Pembangunan jembatan Plung Ajo yang menelan anggaran 7,9 miliar itu dimulai sejak Maret lalu. Jembatan yang menghubungkan Kecamatan Dewantara dengan Kecamatan Muara Batu, Kabupaten Aceh Utara. Kabid Bina Marga PUPR Aceh Utara, Dr. Muhammad STMP mengatakan kepada awak media,
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm open last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Insya Allah jembatan ini sudah ini
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams is a modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Think you're irresponsible, but it's easy as possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking.
negara sangat mendukung antusias dalam pembangunan jembatan ini.
Harapan kepada pelaksana.
Harapan kepada pelaksana terus menjaga iklim pekerjaan sesuai dengan pemerintah selesai dan seperti yang sampaikan tadi bahwa nanti setelah pemancangan, karena pemancangan ini diperkirakan 20 hari ke depan sudah selesai.
Jembatan ini menjadi prioritas Bupati Aceh Utara untuk bekerja memajukan sektor ekonomi di kawasan pesisir yang diusulkan masyarakat melalui Musrembang Kecamatan. Usulan masyarakat sejak 2018 dan baru direalisasikan tahun ini.